Barbecue, Madison Square Park, New York City. Saturday, June 10th, 2017. We're going to look for some ribs over here.
We'll do it tonight. Thank you so much.
Have a great day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Hi. Can I order ribs over here?
Yeah!
Alright. So, two. How big is one order?
I can help someone over here.
And okay. Yeah, we'll get 2 orders. Alright. Take cards? Alright.
No one has cash these days. Alright, sir, you have a good day.
Yeah.
Alright, and it's upside down. You just sign it, or I could turn it.
It's my legal signature.
Yeah. No. Sure. One, Here, you want 3 forks?
Yeah, 3 forks. That'd be great.
2 lemonades?
Alright, I will start with this. Thanks so much.
Have
Thank
a
you.
great day, okay?
Alright, you too. Alright. So I have some food over here. It looks like they have all the barbecue joints lined up on the street outside of the park, which I didn't know.
Hey, people. This place in Germany.
So now we have to bring this loot back to the family, which is sitting at the other end of the park in the garden. Oops. Alright. Let's get those. And that is all for now from the Big Apple Barbecue Party, Madison Square Park.